Hey, if you're watching this video, it's because you want to know, can the Florida family courts interfere with the parental rights when it comes to religion? The answer is yes and no. If you haven't met me before, my name is Gabriel Carrera, and I advertise here in South Florida as the attorney that rides, and my law firm is here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. The question is, can the law interfere with a parent's right to raise a child in their preferred religion? And the answer is no, they cannot, because there is a separation of church and state, and the state can't be against the religion, whether it's Christianity, whether it's Judaism, Muslim, Buddha, whatever it is. Now, if you're like worshiping the devil and you put the child on a pedestal and you want to sacrifice it, yes, the court will get involved and take your child away, because that's wrong. You know, as long as the religion is not harmful physically to the child, they have the right of religion under the United States Constitution. So if a parent is raising the child and the child is confused, and the other parent comes to court saying, my child's confused, I think we should, no, they're not going to get involved. If one parent is bad-mouthing the other parent, for example, if one parent is worshiping tomatoes and the other parent is worshiping apples, you know, one could say, hey, your dad's worshiping apples, that's bad. Will the court get involved? No, they will not. Now, let's say both parents come together. We're going to raise our children Jewish. We're going to raise our children Christian. And can the court enforce it? Let's say one of the parents later on said, hey, I became a Jehovah's Witness, or I became a part of the Indian tribe, and I want to worship the great spirits in the sky. And I don't want my child to be Christian or Jewish or any other religion but mine. Even though there's an agreement and mom comes forward and says, hey, we have an agreement to raise the child Christian, the courts will not enforce that agreement. Now, what if there's religious school? Will the parents be able to enforce their choice of going to a religious school? And let's say that both parents are deadlocked. Dad wants to go to a Jewish school, mom wants to go to a Christian school. The court gets involved, and you know what they're going to probably do? According to case law, what they're going to do is they're going to say, no, none of you win. We're sending it to secular school. And it could be a private secular school or a public secular school. But if the same parents are deadlocked on a religious school for educational purposes and not for religious purpose, then the court can get involved and say, well, let's see what's the better school, using what's in the best interest of the child standard. So here they're not really adjudicating, saying one religion is better than the other. They're saying one school is better because of the academic standards, and that's also case on. We're making a lot of videos, and I hope you're enjoying it. If you really, really like this page and you like this video and you like what I'm saying, please subscribe below and rock that bell down there so you can get all the notifications so you won't be without the next installment.